Out here with the Tech RC Nano. We're gonna try to get something going with that out here. Let me start some video. Is recording, it says. It is. Okay, I got it. God, you can barely see this thing, okay? Oh my god. Oh, the lag is terrible. Just like the other one. Just like the... Look at that. This is another one to keep inside, okay? Has absolutely horrible lag on the with the Wi-Fi on. Horrible. Well, might as well try to do the same thing to see if that does anything. Wow. Let me stop the video. Good Lord. Turn off the Wi-Fi. Now let's see if it flies any better. No. This thing just isn't any good, okay? It just... Now, it is doing better. There is no doubt about that with the Wi-Fi off. But it just... It's strictly inside, guys. This thing is Nano. It's very small. It's very... The controls are very mushy. Let me get over here. The sun's creeping up on me over there. Yeah, I don't recommend getting this thing at all. It just doesn't fly good. You know, just one of them deals. It just doesn't fly good. Now, the Wi-Fi being off does make a difference. There's no doubt, but there's still hesitation and lag in the controls, no doubt. But it's... Yeah, I definitely wouldn't recommend this. We're just gonna ride out the battery. That's all we're doing. Let's put it this way. I'd rather be poked in the eye with a sharp stick than have to fly this all the time. All right. Okay, I think the flips aren't working. I think I see some lights flashing there too, so maybe it'll just fall out of the sky here any second and I can grab it. Maybe I could catch it with my mouth. Open my mouth and have it fall right in. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Damn it. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this thing. It's kind of crappy. Alright guys, there you go. The Tech RC. It's crap. It's garbage. Alright guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to go visit Drone Pool.